Okay, y'all, come along with me to do some Mother's Day shopping. It's the first thing I've picked out. It says, "Love you, Mimi." I call my mom Mimi. I walk in his ways, I learn from the play, learn from mistakes that grow every day. Yeah. If your mom is a jewelry girly, you can find, not her, you can find earrings, necklaces, even religious jewelry. I even ended up seeing a silver cross here. So yeah, you can kind of find things mixed in, and it even said do everything in love. So it came with like a little verse on it. Here it is. Holy Spirit transpire. So this is Walk on Air by Kate Spade. My mom loves this scent. I'm not sure if she's run out of it, but I'm getting her another one. Oops. You can raise the step. Girlies who are bakers, you could bake your mom a cake. That would be so cute. Happy Mother's Day. I was thinking about this. I was like, ooh, I could bake like a really healthy cake or some type of bread and then give it to her. This one's for my girlies who want to budget well, and these candles were on clearance, but they also had just the regular candle section, which is really nice as well. And I'll show you guys that in a second. Oh God, this smells so good too. I love that. It's not a drink, it's a candle. So actually now started shopping for me and my mom. I love this Valencia by Pink. I'm guessing it's like a Victoria's Secret perfume. It smells so good. I'm so happy I bought it. And then this Amika Smooth Over. I feel like I've been seeing so much about Amika and I've tried their products, so I also wanted to get that. And then Briageo's Scalp Revival. So anyway, now I'm in the bag area because my mom really loves black purses. I didn't really see anything that was like super cute, so I think I'm gonna skip all of this, but they still have like cute little bags if you're looking for cute little bags and just like everyday wear stuff, something to go with an outfit you have in the closet that you just like don't know what to put with it. Go to TJ Maxx and you can find a bag that will literally go with some outfit that you have. My girlies who love to scrapbook, who love to put their own pictures into frames, and you could even do that. It's very simple. My friend has done this for me and it was the best gift ever. She even wrote on the photo on the back and put it in a frame. So I really recommend this. Some of these frames were a little bit pricey, but you can find them like at a Dollar Tree as well if those are still around. But yeah, lots of frames, lots of cute frames, just kind of pricey, some of them. I got God in me.